Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Dominique. I do videos on homemaking, shopping hauls, organisation and many more. So today I'm going to be concentrating on part 2 of the kitchen organisation and declutter video, and today I'm going to be tackling the kitchen drawers. There was things everywhere and clutter and junk, and I just needed to be decluttered and sorted out, but I do have a solution to make it a little bit more organised for myself and for my family. I really hope you find this video useful today, and let's get into organising these kitchen drawers. We're going to be starting with the kitchen handles here. My husband's going to replace them. We went to Bunnings and I just wanted to change them. They're white, they're peeling, they pick up every bit of dirt, and they're probably the cheapest handles you can buy. I just thought if I got a different colour, it might sort of brighten up an old kitchen, make it look a little bit more modern for like a cheap price. So we picked up the handles. They're around about $32. You do get 10 of them. There's a lot of choice. There's gold, there's silver, there's all that. I just got the silver ones because it goes with our dishwasher. But my husband's going to do it because it was a little bit complex for me. You had to cut all the screws to the right size. And you do get 10 of these handles. But I only needed 9 because one of our cupboards has been taken out because we had to put a dishwasher in. So I do have one handle left. But I just thought these were amazing, the difference they made at the end. And they don't pick up as much dirt. So my husband's going to change all these now, and then I'll get into decluttering the drawers.
In and out of love. Never get enough. We never seem to get older. When things are going right, we seem to have the time. But when it's hard, you just grow colder. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. Fires around ourselves. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. Fires around ourselves. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you. Been here 1,000 times. Set up a stage of lies. Say we're done, say it's over. Shouldn't be coming back, but somehow we connect. Acting drunk even though we're sober. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. Fires around ourselves. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. Fires around ourselves. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you. Keep lighting fires. The words repeat cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. We keep on talking.
So I've decided to follow through with this palm design into the kitchen drawers, but my kitchen will have a lot more different contact or adhesive throughout it. I have got a few different types of patterns. I'll show you that in the next video. But I just had so much of this left. I think I had another 2 rolls left. So It went a long way, so I just didn't want to waste it, and I really liked it with the white drawers. I probably would have liked to have gone through the whole kitchen cupboard with it, but some of the other patterns that I've put in isn't too bad, but I had to do it that way because I had too many rolls left over and I couldn't get the rolls I wanted, but I will show you that in the next video. So I'm just going to line the drawers with this adhesive now. It makes the world of difference. These drawers are really, really old. If I could replace them, I would, but I would prefer to like replace the whole kitchen. But I'm really happy with the design of the drawers and how functional they are now. 2 weeks after I filmed this video, my kitchen drawers are still really tidy and they're sort of clutter free. So I'm happy with that. And I would like to do a video in the next 2 months and show you if the organization video in my kitchen has worked or not, and if it is functional enough, because I guess you do have to leave it, 2 or 3 months to really see if it gets back into a mess or if it's not working for yourself or your family. I will continue now to clean the drawers, line the drawers, and then declutter this mess.
Unsaid, and you cannot forget how my mistakes haunt us, but do they really daunt us? Your tongue can be sharp, cut me close to the heart, but we can master the art. And the thing is that these scars are scary, but they are just some old scars. We should never be afraid of them. You and I know when we are too far apart, everything just falls apart. So I just close my eyes and dream about our kids and how they're running around. Won't you come and lay down next to me? Close your eyes and we'll be free. I'll keep my head high while we're crossing the land. With all the minds we lay down, it's gonna take us some time, but I won't give up, though I know it is tough. We need to break our patterns. It's better now than after we have drifted off too far. Let's tear down these walls our destiny has called. We're walking down a path, and the wind will change at last, like a song about our past. So I'll just close my eyes and dream about our kids and how they're running around. Won't you come and lay down next to me? Close your eyes and we'll be free. I can't see the point of pointing fingers. Come on, let's rejoice of what will come. I have made the choice of thinking bigger. 'Cause you are all that I need. You are all that I need. So I just close my eyes and dream about our kids and how they're running around. Won't you come and lay down next to me? Close your eyes and we'll be free. right now. You said yourself you'd be breaking every vow. I can understand you're tired of this town, and I'm not saying that we have to settle down now. Just remember this: we could have been stardust, same world but without us. Something made us find each other out there. Made us realize we're more than just stardust. Ignore this fact if you must, to do what your dreams are telling you to do. And I'll be out there looking for someone like you. Stardust, stardust. I'm the lazy one, so I guess I should have known. You said yourself you wanna do this alone. What if your dreams are making it hard to think straight? If you still love me, I can wait, I can wait. And remember this: we could have been stardust, same world but without us. Something made us find each other out there. Made us realize we're more than just stardust. Ignore this fact if you must, to do what your dreams are telling you to do. And I'll be out there looking for someone like you. Supposed to go, maybe I'm just too slow. We should just lean together. We could have been stardust, same world but without us. Something made us find each other out there. Made us realize we're more than just stardust. Ignore this fact if you must, to do what your dreams are telling you to do. Out there looking for someone like you.
I can't believe all that came out of these drawers. It's just unbelievable, the junk that I've got in here. And the thing is that I didn't end up clearing out a lot of it. It just needed to be sorted out. I will show you the things I will be getting rid of at the end of this video, but I thought I was going to get rid of a lot more. It just needed a tidy up and to be organised because it hadn't had any containers in there or anything that I could sort of organise it with. I do have a lot of wooden spoons, but I really use wooden spoons a lot, so I couldn't clear these ones out or get rid of them, so I really love them. I just needed it to be really sorted out. So I'm just going to continue now to declutter and line these drawers, and I'll show you at the end what it looks like.
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you.
I'm going to try and make a sharp drawer with all these knives that I've got left over. I just don't really like them in the top drawer for the kids because they do go to the top drawer to get spoons and things out of them. So I'm just going to put them somewhere. Cake items, and we are starting to use these for my ravioli now when we make that.
I can't believe you love me. I just feel so lucky.
First 2 drawers done there. I'm going to put these back in now and bring out the other 2 drawers. It makes a big difference. I think they look a lot better than what they did look like. Don't feel embarrassed to open the drawer. Such, you can never really find the perfect storage containers for them, but I'm just trying to use what I've got. And this is all the stuff I've got left over here, which I'm going to put that into one of the other drawers. That was all in this one drawer here, and I have got rid of some things. Here's my box of things that I'm going to be throwing out. I'm going to keep this for the whole kitchen organisation video and show you how many things I do get rid of. I'm hoping to have that box full. That's what I'm hoping. But there's just things in here. These are quite dangerous. They melt, so I just don't want them. And a few things in there that I just don't need anymore. Just bits of rubbish. I didn't get rid of a lot, as you can see. But yeah, so I'm going to pop these back in now into the drawers, and they should be good to go.
Love me. I hope it never ends. Let's be more than friends. Yeah. You know I'm here to stay every single day. Yeah. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. Oh, I can't believe you love me. I just feel so lucky.
I bought these containers and they clip onto each other. I bought like a stack of them. I got them from Reject Shop, so they sort of cling on, like they can clip onto each other if you want to put them in the drawers. This one's broken, as you can see. See, and you can do them like that too. There's 3 of them, 3 of the rectangle ones. I think there's 3 of them. I probably will put the things down the sides here, just so we can see where the knives are. I've got a knife block, but I just have some leftover knives I don't want to throw out. I've got rolling pins and bigger things, like these sort of things can fit in here. So they take up a fair bit of room. The rolling pin can fit on the side. That's a good hack. I guess you've got something that you can sort of put down the side so things don't roll around so much. I'm going to put the rolling pin down the back. I've got my apple slicer, and I do use this regularly. Sort of an antique spoon that my husband has always kept.
You call me for one last dance, then you hypnotize me into a trance, thinking I really had a chance, but I woke up on my own. The world keeps on spinning round. I'm planting my feet flat on the ground. Living is all that I can do, and keeping on pulling through. Everything changed so suddenly. How come everyone saw it but me? No wonder it broke my heart in two. I'm left here without a clue, but I'm looking up and forward. Nobody can take away what I've learned. How to be brave when there's no return. Oh yeah, I feel like there's something new, something in the air, some point of view that's made me believe that I have a
I'm really happy that, you know, I pretty much managed to get the drawers done, and they look a lot better than what they did. A lot better. I mean, there's still a few things. I probably could throw these out eventually. This is a canister lid that's off a canister that I'm putting utensils in at the moment. So I want to keep that because in case one breaks or one gets filthy, and I can change it up. These are the things I use regularly. This is a marshmallow fire thing, so I keep that in there because we've got a fireplace. And yeah, so, and I've still got a little bit under a roll of contact left, so that was a really good purchase, and I don't mind the green. It just makes it look a little bit more refreshing. The green, I find when you open up the drawer, it looks a lot better. I could put these things in a cupboard or something like that, but I find that, yeah, I just think that I need to put them in a drawer so I know they're all there. I use these all the time. This can be used as an onion and garlic, you know, chopper, which I do use regularly, but I'm gonna get a little pull one, I think, just something that's handy and easy, but I use them all the time. All these things I use all the time. There's just candles down there. These are just handy, these little plastic containers for dressings and things, and sometimes my kids want like some tomato sauce in them at school or some vinegar or something for their dressings. You know, at school you pay about 50 cents now for like sausage roll sauce. I mean, you put a tiny bit of sauce in that and there's a saving of 50 cents. That's today's kitchen organisation and declutter video part 2. I've completed all the drawers and I'm really happy with what I've got so far. I didn't throw away as many things as I would have hoped to have, but I found a lot of things I didn't know I had, and that and that I can now find because I've organised it a lot better. So I hope it's given you some ideas today and maybe a little bit of motivation for your kitchen. But I'll show you the things that I have thrown out, and hopefully by the end of like part 3 of this video, I'll have heaps more things to throw out. I really am hoping to, or organised a lot better anyway. But I'm really happy with the progress of this. It seems a little bit more functional, and I'll definitely find out how functional it will be over the coming months. But I know within the last 2 weeks after I filmed this video, it has helped a lot, and it hasn't got into too much of a mess, and I think that's what's the most important thing. And I've been able to sort of just open the drawer and find things when I need it, as long as I don't keep purchasing things. That's the whole idea. Like, if I'm going to purchase any more items for the kitchen drawers, I would throw out some other items. Otherwise, it's just going to get cluttered again. I guess the best way to declutter a kitchen is just to not have any clutter in it at all, and just don't like hoard things like I had with those last few drawers. But I hope you've really enjoyed this video today, and I'll see you soon for part 3. Thanks everyone. Bye.